Cornell Bioacoustical Laboratory has the largest repository of animal sounds on the planet. They've been collecting them since the 1930s.
So there's this range of sounds from the largest animal ever to live on this planet to the tiniest little insects. This is a song recording of a male oh-oh singing on Hawaii. These birds mate for life, so he would be singing a duet with his mate, where he sings, then she sings, back and forth. Here comes the male song. There's no response. Here's the male song again. That's the last male of a species singing for a female who will never come. He is totally alone. And now his voice is gone.